nigga nazinakho bandirapha nge-fashion. Dressing these niggas is one of my passion. Movie started, spawn on action. They said they're the best, but I swear they be capping. Now that they put us on captions. Finally putting in work for my EP, connecting the dots like I'm stitching. You know it's the drip, the reason I be pimping. Walking the bush just to do it quick. Tryna tell you but you never listen. The niggas tripping, they will never diss me. Got a shambles, why you never blitz me? I'm the real one in the city. They visit Cape Town just to see me. Niggas is feeling my energy, you digging it. I'm walking the talk, it's remedy. These kinds of flows, infinity. Even 8 years back I was killing it. Your younger sister is feeling me. I'm tryna change my community. Zezi besibule zizidalele ebholeni. Later besibuya sisikarele ekoneni. Ex wafumana idili eholweni. We come a long way my nigga, let's go in. Putting the V up on top of the P. Putting the V up on top of the P. Pushing the P, pushing the P. Pushing the P, B, 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 P. Putting the V up on top of the P. Putting the V up on top of the P. Pushing the P, pushing the P. Pushing the P, B, 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 P. Music my homie. Since the day I was born, this shit has been part of me. I was just writing these lyrics, expressing what you niggas busy with cuddling. I don't mean, really don't mean to be nosy. We started this shit and these niggas be mimicking. Cause I don't never but crack I form you. Laba set top but no tool. I hear the beat and I pick up my cellule. Poverty pill and bangel. Tratelu nev, mas bangel. Never's cooking the beat and I'm eating it. Doing the shit since the beginning. Since 13 years back I've been killing it. They feeling my flows, my energy. It's a lazy me. When they listen my raps they can envision the future. But I mean what you started in more man stuza. Check out my drip, I got it from Tunis. And the weed that I smoke, I got it from a toast. And a chance that I get on the beat and they user. Where would I be if I quitted this shit? Where would I be if I quitted this shit? I got my people believing in me. I got my people believing in me. Tell me don't stress, focus my G. Putting the V up on top of the P. Where would I be if I quitted this shit? Where would I be if I quitted this shit? Tell me don't stress, focus my G. Putting the V up on top of the P.